So, hi guys. So, ano tayo? So, mamaya po kami liligo. So, natin to. So, saan ba dito pipiliin natin? So, saan ba natin? Ayan dito. Ito na lang. So, dito pa lang lalagyan ko ng mga ballpen lapis. So, susulatan natin siya. Basta. So, hintay lang kayo guys.
Ito na.
Hey, Ray. Swim Mountain Fest is safe because we pretty much locked everyone up except our dates. So can we clock out now?
But you can't just lock up a bunch of innocent people like that. You need to let them back out right now. And check yourself before you wreck yourself, okay? Because when you're a superhero, you take an unbreakable vow, right? To always be honorable and trustworthy.
Oh my god!
Let me call you back.
Are you on a date with Credenza?
No.
Hey, love. I am so glad you took the day off from work to go on a date with me today. Oh, Danger Force. Ray, do you know them?
No. But we would love to make the acquaintance over there for a moment. So let's exit.
So, guys, ang kamali kasi ako guys.
What is it you think this guy does for work?
Kaya matagal.
He's a fighter pilot brain surgeon who also runs a school where injured pets can learn to serve.
I keep busy.
I cannot believe you
So,
did this for
yan.
all day just so you can go on a
He's
date with
fake
Buddy
or
Butter's
sino
mom.
You sure you
magkakamali
can't believe
ako.
that? Sounds like me.
So, para pala ako.
We did it because you're in love. We're doing something love. That's just right. Something like that.
So, wala. So, yan.
Don't look at me like that.
Yan na lang yan.
I'm in love. If this
So,
is love, then why does it hurt so
ano
bad?
kayo dyan? So, mag-chat kayo dyan sa
Not for you, Ace.
sa comment section kasi ano ko kayo dito sa lista ko.
No wearing matching
Order,
t-shirts allowed at Swim
order to
Mountain
eh.
Fest.
So,
Told you we get busted for these shirts.
Worth it.
God, I love you.
ano tayo?
Race out of the
Mag-alcohol.
way.
The kids will play.
I'm happy. Me too.
Nothing's gonna stop us from getting
So, ito pa lang nagagandahan ko sa kanilang hat kasi meron siyang maganda na ano meron siya. So, wait lang. So, sunod na papakita ko sa inyo kung ano meron siya. So, balik na natin to at to. Balik na natin dito.
Shark dog, fish.
Lagay na natin to dito. At nag-order pa siya.
Look at this mess. Mess? What mess?
Look at this. So, order niya kasi pinapa
Mess.
ano
Max, the
natin.
deal was you could keep Shark Dog if you looked after us.
Steve, maybe it would be
Ay,
best if
wala pa pala siya ang order.
What? No way.
Sorry guys.
You take me out today and I'll have this place looking
Sabi niya,
brand
Ashley
new.
daw yung pangalan niya. So, napakin na natin.
Let's do this.
Nakalila,
Nothing's gonna slow us.
So, sulat natin.
Spectacularific summerlicious day in the history of days. This guy. No way.
So, ganyang spelling niya.
It's the last day of summer.
Sorry, we kind of made a mess. And if I don't fix this before my parents come home, they're gonna... Relax, Max. We'll hit the beach, chill with the
So,
friends.
papakita ko sa inyo.
Plenty of time to clean.
Hindi, pakita ko na. Ito, oh. Kaya ito maganda ko kasi parang may sticker siya. At to parang mayroong
Real competition.
ano,
Fish face. Me and my smoocher versus you and your shark thing.
yun, parang may ano siya.
We're kind of on a tight schedule. You're not scared, are you?
Basta yun. Parang may ano siya.
Okay, Dennis. Game on.
So let's so okay na pala yun. So papakita ko din sa inyo ang mga gamit ko na diary, ganyan. So sa ate ko to. So ate ko pala. Hindi ko as in ate. Hindi ko yung ate ng siya to. Kasi ito sa ang ate ko. Ito. My diary. Po. Ashley May Villamar. Villamar kasi siya. Hindi. Ang Villamar siya, B. Villamar siya. Villamar siya.
You were a
At yun naman
Why don't we
hindi.
celebrate your win with some ice cream?
So, ito na, B. Ito na. Oh, kasali na. Kasali na. So, ito.
Well, the only thing great about
Para
it is
sa
I don't
freebie
see
na
a
lang.
monster's mutt.
So, natagalan na tayo, guys. Kasi pagsulat ko, guys. So, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Wait. So, baka magsabi kayo, ano yan? Nandito. Ano pala yan? Parang papel siya. Hindi ko alam yung tawag. So, yung bye-bye. Mwah.